Look at this video.
What kind of place is this?
This amazing horror film is generated only with AI. No complex software, week-long editing, or a lot of expertise. Just enter your idea and get the video you want. In this video, we will discuss how you can create this kind of cinematic video within a few minutes. So, without further ado, let's dive in. To create any video, we need a story or script. You can use ChatGPT, DeepSeek, or Grok to generate the script. For example, I am asking for a script in DeepSeek. And here it is. DeepSeek AI generates an amazing script for us. Now I will enter another prompt to generate prompts so that we can generate videos with AI Video Generator. And here it is. Our prompt is ready. Now it's time to generate the video. To generate the video, I will use one of the best AI video generators called PixVerse AI. PixVerse AI is a well-known and popular AI video generator where you can generate any kind of video clip. Its new powerful model V4 makes it the best AI video generator at this moment. PixVerse can automatically generate the music for video clips or create high-quality lip sync in just one click. I will put the link in the description. Just head over there and then click on the login button from here and create an account. Okay? Here you will find some featured video clips. To create our own video, we have to go to the prompt box at the bottom of the page. Okay, this is the PixVerse prompt box. At this moment, we are in the text-to-video or image-to-video mode. Here, you will find some more features like effects, transitions, sound, speech, and others. We talked about these features in one of my previous videos. You can watch it from the I button. Let's move forward to the video creation. Come to the Image or Text tab. Now here in this box, we have to enter the prompt. Copy the first prompt and then paste the prompt here in this box. After entering the prompt, come to the settings. Here, you can set the aspect ratio. I will go at 16:9. After that, enter the negative prompts if you want. Next, we have the seed option. After the seed, set the video duration. PixVerse allows you to generate a maximum 8-second long video. Next, we have video resolution. Here you can generate 1080p higher resolution video clips. However, if you want a faster generation, select the turbo option. Don't worry, we can upscale the video later. Okay, next we have the auto sound feature. This is very interesting. If you enable this feature, AI will generate a BGM for this video automatically. After that, we have auto speech. If you need lip sync, then you can use this feature. As our first scene doesn't have any dialogue, we don't need to use it. If there is any dialogue, just click here, enter the dialogue text, and then select a voiceover. Next, we have the style tool. If you want to generate a specific style video, then you can choose the style from here. I will skip. Next, we have the camera effects. You can set the camera work from here. After that, the magic brush tool only works with a reference image. Then, we have the motion settings. There are two options available here, standard and smooth. I will go with smooth generation. In the end, we have the video generation model. By default, we are in the most capable V4 model. Alright, once everything is set, hit the create button. You can see that PixVerse starts generating the video. It will take around 10 seconds to generate an 8-second long video. Whereas other AI video generators like Minimax or Luma AI take around 5 minutes to generate a 5-second long video. Here it is. Our video is ready. Look at the quality of the video. This is just amazing. The object movement, inertia, light, and shadow are all just perfect. And the sound effect makes the video more interesting. This is just crazy. So, now you can create this kind of amazing cinematic video in just a few seconds. Now to upscale the video, simply click on the upscale button from here. And here it is. The video upscaled, and now look at the quality of the video. This is amazing. Here you will find some more features like extend, sound, restyle, and speech. We already talked about this feature in our previous video. Okay? Now download the video to your device. Once done, copy the second prompt from DeepSeek, paste it into PixVerse, and then set all other settings. Once done, hit the generate button.
They say the forest keeps secrets, secrets that should never be uncovered.
Once the video is generated, upscale it if needed. After that, download the video onto your device. Now, if you are facing a problem with character consistency, don't worry, we can solve this issue using this character tool. Here you see characters are available here. I created them earlier. To create a new character, click on the plus icon from here. Now we have to upload the face of our character. You can create an image using any AI image generator and upload it here. I am uploading this one. After uploading the image, hit the Create Character button from here. And our character is ready. Now select the character we just created and then set all other settings. Once done, hit the Create button. And this is the video created with the character. This is just awesome. Now let's create the next video with the character to see the result. Simply add the next prompt and then other settings. And this is the resulting video. You can see that PixVerse generates an outstanding video and keeps the same character. So we don't need to worry about the character consistency. Alright? Now in the same method, generate all the video clips. Once the video clips are ready, download them to your device and then organize them in ascending order. Alright, all of our video clips are ready. Now it is time to go through the final step, the video assembling. You can use any video editor. I will use the CapCut video editor. Alright, first of all, import all the video clips into the media bin. Now insert them into the timeline in ascending order. Give proper time to set the video order properly. Once the video insertion is completed, import all the lip sync video clips and place them in the proper place. Sometimes you may need to adjust the video duration. Do it properly. Now you can add some effects to make the video more engaging. Next, you can add transitions between the scenes if needed. Once everything is set, hit the export button. It will take some time to render the video. Alright, our video is ready. Let's have a look.
They say the forest keeps secrets. Secrets that should never be uncovered.
Hello, is someone there?
Some places are meant to be left alone.
This can't be real. It's just a story.
You shouldn't have come here.
It's just amazing. By making some extra effort, you can make more captivating videos. So, now you can create amazing AI videos like this using PixVerse AI. PixVerse AI has many more advanced features. If you want to boost your content creation journey, you should try PixVerse AI. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience creating AI animation videos with PixVerse AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.